Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you guys my Amazon haul. But I'm not going to share everything with you because like I said in my other video that I have lost footages because I rebooted my phone accidentally. So I don't have everything with me, but whatever I have I'm going to show you. And most of these stuffs are actually very good and very useful in maintaining your house. So I'm going to put all the links for the products on the description box below, so do check it out. Now let's get started. I'm going to start with this first one. This is the mop pad, a microfiber mop pad, and this is from Easily Greener, and it comes 2 in a pack. I have the Swiffer and I use this for my Swiffer. I used to use the Swiffer brand before, the paper one, but then I wanted to contribute to the environment, so I just got this one. That one I have to throw it every time I am done using it. This one I can just wash it. I can put it in the laundry or just wash it with my hand, and I can use it wet or dry, so I thought this would be better for me. And I'm already using one of these, so here is one. The next thing also is again the mop. So that one was just the microfiber pad and this one is the complete mop. So I'm thinking to use this mop when I have to mop the entire home, because this one will be easier since it has a bottle, spray bottle, and it also comes with this scraping brush. There is a brush area, there's a scraping area, so if there's something stuck to the floor you can easily scrape it, and then you can just push it to the handle of the mop and it will attach. And this also comes with 2 microfiber pads, and you just have to slap it to the mop. There's no velcro. I have recently used it and I have assembled it. It was very easy to assemble. I absolutely liked it, and I have used it, so it was very easy for me to mop a bigger area. So I'm thinking I'll just keep it to mop the entire home, and when I have to just mop this small area I can use this one. I can use the other one, and in that way I don't have to keep going to the sink to wet the mop again and again. And you can use it for all types of floors. Okay, moving on to the next thing. This is the Arms & Hammer garbage disposal cleaner, and I got the pack of 48, so I think I'm sorted for the whole year. I used to use this vinegar and baking soda hack, but it didn't work for me. And I recently had my kitchen sink clogged and I had to call the plumber. The plumber said that we do have some issues with the pipelines and pipes, so since then I'm extra careful about my sinks and trying to take care of that a little bit more. Using this one was very easy. Just pop one and then drop it in the sink and just follow the instructions, and plus it smells really nice. I had the citrusy smell near my kitchen sink, which was really good. With the vinegar I used to get that vinegary smell and it was too strong, but of course if it doesn't bother you, it doesn't matter. Next thing is also for the kitchen, and this is the dishwasher cleaner, and this is the Eco Scrub dishwasher cleaner. This one has 12 tablets and it's a 1-year supply. I haven't used it, but the ratings were really good. And since the plumber told us about the pipeline issues, I have been thinking a lot, and I was thinking like these are the areas we cannot reach to clean by anyhow. So it's better if we invest a little bit amount to get some things to clean these places, just to have us save some time and keep the machine running for a longer time. Moving on to the next one, this is also mostly for the kitchen, and this is the electronic lighter. I'm trying to use less plastic in my home. I do have a couple of plastic lighters, but that is the last one, I think, if this one works properly. But I think this is the defective one because the battery dies really fast. So I charge it, and then a few days later the battery dies. So here's the switch for off and on, and once you turn on, you see the dots, the lights. Those are the sign for the battery. I have 2 points, which means I have 40% battery, which is ridiculous because I charged it 3 days ago. And then here is the power button. You push the power button and then the sparks come out. There are so many electronic lighters on Amazon. I chose this one because this one has the neck that you can bend, and it will be easier to reach the candles. So like here I'm showing you, but you can find a lot in the Amazon website. This one also had good rating. I think I just got the defective one and I realized it very late, so I cannot exchange it or return it. And I also tried to contact the seller, but I think he's not interested in getting back to me since the returning window is closed now. Now this is very random, and since I'm showing everything what I bought from Amazon, I just thought I will show this one here as well too. This is a bag of almond flour, and I got this from Amazon. This one was not something which is cheaper. It was the same price as you get it in Sam's Club or Costco or anywhere else. But since I was getting everything from Amazon, I just didn't wanted to wait for this one thing to get it from somewhere else. So I just bought it from here. So yep, just showing you here. I haven't opened it yet so I can show you, otherwise it would have been very messy to show here. Another thing that I have here is also related to cleaning, and this is the washing machine cleaner. It has 24 plus 2 bonus tablets, so I think I'm sorted for 2 years now. I haven't used it, but I have seen good ratings about this one, so I thought I'll just buy this one to keep my washing machine also clean. So yeah, let's see how it works. Okay, next thing which I'm super excited about is this eyeshadow palette by Beauty Glazed. The name of this palette is Colorboard Meet Your Match. I have heard really good things about this one, and the reviews are just awesome. I have heard that the eyeshadows are highly pigmented. So to open it, there is a magnet flap. You just open it, and then there are 4 palettes inside. The first one is this green one, and if you will notice, first 3 palettes has yellow eyeshadows, and all 3 yellow eyeshadows are of different shades. All 4 palettes has shimmery eyeshadows, matte eyeshadows, and metallic eyeshadows, sheer eyeshadows. Okay, the next palette is this warm tone, all the orange and red colors. And then the third one is more like cool tone, and this has all the cool tones eyeshadows. And the last one is the purple one. And I think like each palette has all these colors that would complement each other, even if you are just doing using one palette to create the monochrome look. Well, that's it guys. So with that, we have come to the end of this video, and I hope you guys like this Amazon haul that I did. If you like this video, then like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.